Hello, dollies! Today we're going to do another cute, cheap craft. I'm going to be trying to make a Valentine's Day craft to give as a gift or just to keep as decoration. And it's also functional. So let's just get right into it. Okay, the first thing you'll need is pipe cleaners or Chanel sticks and a glue gun and glue sticks. First thing I did was try to make the strawberry for the top. What you're gonna do is cut in half the pipe cleaners and take 3 of them and then fold them into a loop and then put one through the 2 loops and twist it and pull it down. And make sure they're all lined up like this. So when you pull them together, it's like a little wall, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but like this. And then you're going to twist them together at the top. Then you're going to take it and kind of like curve it. Use your fingers to kind of make it like a bowl shape and then push the top piece like down, curve it so they fit together really well. I kept checking them to see if they fit together well and pulling the pipe cleaners apart and back together, trying to make them look what I thought was the best. And then I started to glue them together. You can start from the bottom or the top. And with the last piece, you're going to turn it upside down. You're not going to glue it where the little top knot thing is. You're going to flip it around and then glue it. Then I kind of was squishing it around, trying to make it mold to more of a strawberry shape. And then you're going to take a green pipe cleaner and you're going to make a loop and then twist that loop. And then you're going to make another loop and twist that loop. And you're going to do that 4 times. And if you use a full, I keep saying Chanel stick. That's what my grandma used to call them. Pipe cleaner. You're going to do that 4 times. And then if you used a full one, you're going to have a little bit of the stem. You're just going to have some of the pipe cleaner left over and it looks like a stem. Then you're going to kind of bend it, curve it, and then set it on top of your strawberry, see how it looks. Then you're going to glue that on the top and then cut it to your desired length. Then I took a brown one and I wrapped it around the bottom of the strawberry to look like it was dipped in chocolate. You'll kind of have to glue this as you go. I stuck the top into the strawberry in between the pipe cleaners and then I wrapped it around and then I glued it. Next I got a white one and cut it into little tiny pieces and then got some hot glue and put it on and rolled it together, trying to make it look like a seed. Be careful with this not to burn your fingers. You will get glue all over your hands with this project, just letting you know. But I always do that with hot glue. Next I got this little cardboard jewelry box from Dollar Tree and they had all different shapes, but I wanted this circle one because I wanted it to look like a cake. Then I got a pen and marked where the lid was so I don't put the pipe cleaners all the way up to over the lid, so I can still put the lid on. Then I'm going to take some pink pipe cleaners and then just wrap it around the jewelry box. You can do this any way you would like. I thought this was probably the best way because it was a little too big to wrap it around fully. Next, I took 4 white pipe cleaners and lined them up and then just twisted them together. I spaced out a little bit and then twisted them together to try to create like a icing look or frosting look. Then I took 4 red and did the same thing, but I curved it more. I pinched and curved up on each of the little petal pieces. So it gave more of a curve, so it looked more like piped frosting. And then I decided I was going to put the red on the bottom. I made 2 and then put them together and then put it around the bottom. Then I took a white pipe cleaner and twisted it around you can use a pencil or a pen, anything that is this shape, and then made a little curly cue. Then I took some more white pipe cleaners and did little semicircles and draped it along the top of the box. Next is a lid. I wrapped that in pink and then I took that curly cue that I made and then put it around the outer edge of the lid. I made about 4 of these and then kind of just glued them together where each of them ended and wrapped it around the whole lid. Next I made another one of those little frosting things, I took 4 white and twisted them together, and then I curved them like I did with the red, and then I pushed down the pointed or valley part and glued it on so it looked like little waves, I guess you'd say. Next, I made some more semicircles, smaller ones, and draped it around the lid. Make sure to check if your lid will still fit. All that's left to do is glue the strawberry on and you're done. I'm actually giving this to my sister for Valentine's Day. I think it came out so good and I'm excited to make more. So here it is. I love how it came out. It came out so good, guys. It was super easy. It was just tedious, okay? So you could do this. You could do this easy peasy. Easy peasy. It's just gonna take time. So yeah. If you like this video and like videos like it, let me know down below so I can make some other cute things for you and show you how to make it for cute and for cheap. That's cute for cheap. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below other videos you would like to see next. Happy Valentine's Day and bye-bye.